Hey guys, this is Nelly and welcome to yet another episode of Beauty and Food. So right now we're at Taman Watan, and Taman Watan is located in Ampang. So the exact shop is called Watan Corner. What this shop is famous for is their lauk kampung, meaning their village dishes. It's a very local kind of food, and it's sort of an assimilation with Negeri Sembilan food because they're really famous for daging salai, which I'm gonna go into later on. So let's go check it out. Ordered a lot of amazing food. There's 5 dishes in front of me right now. I'm gonna go through it one by one, starting with the veggie perhaps. So this is called ulam, and it's actually raw vegetables that people usually eat with anchovies, sambal, cicalo, up to you, but here it is. And then next we have here is duck rendang. Yeah, you heard right, duck rendang. I've never heard of that, but it's basically your normal rendang, but with duck. And then continuing, we have the daging salai. Okay, so what daging salai is actually smoked meat. And what we have here is, you see that green sauce here? The sauce here is actually made of santan. And if you have not realized a pattern yet, majority of Malay food incorporates a lot of santan inside. So, moving on, we have kambing, which means lamb. This is basically just lamb, you can see. So I'm just gonna try all these out. Oh, and the last one, I almost forgot. This is pumpkin. So I've never seen this either. As you can see, there's again coconut milk, santan. Yeah, so I'm gonna dig in. I'll try everything one by one so that you guys can have a better idea of what tastes good. Start with this. We'll take a piece of this. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and dig in without the rice. Okay. This is spicy. It's really spicy. But it's a different kind of spicy. It's not the kind that burns your lip, but rather the kind that burns your tongue, if that makes sense. The meat itself is delicious. You can definitely taste a sort of smoked taste with it. This is good. But like I said, it's spicy. Gonna try this next. Gonna take a good chunk. My hair is hungry. This is really tender. It's really tender. You can definitely taste the lamb. It has a very strong lamby taste. Does that make sense? You can tell that the meat is cooked just right. It's not too hard to chew, it's not too chewy, it's not too soft, it's the perfect texture. I really like this one. And the sauce isn't that spicy. Next we have the duck rendang. I'm very excited for this one because I've never heard of duck rendang before. So, how do we even start? It honestly just looks like regular chicken. If nobody told me it was duck, I wouldn't even know. Okay, it's definitely harder than chicken. It's definitely duck. You can taste it. Let me try to get a bigger bite. so you can have a better gauge of what this is. I just realized that duck is a lot harder than chicken. Okay, I got a good chunk now. Good amount of sauce there. Oh! Okay. This is interesting. Okay, I really like this. It's kind of salty and savory, but at the end, the aftertaste, there's like a little bit of a sweet kick coming from the pumpkin. It's really good. And the pumpkin's really soft. So if you're lazy like me, you don't have to chew. You just have to put it in your mouth and it'll melt in your mouth. It's really good. There's definitely something else in here that's making it salty. But overall, this is pretty great. Okay. So, moving on to the ulam. Okay. This can be like a Malay salad, you know. And what you do is you just take a piece of whatever you want. Put some of the sambal right here. If you're not a fan of spicy like me, don't take too much. Then you just eat it. That's literally it. So, there you have it. That's all the dishes. I'm going to continue to dig in. And yeah. So that's it for the Watan Corner food review. I hope you guys like it. Give you a bit of inside info, you know. So I'm gonna see you guys next time and eat my food without the camera panning at me. So tune in next time for more beauty and food. Bye!